Hello everyone, welcome to another math online lesson. Our lesson for today is about conditional statement. And as we go on along with our lesson today, we will be able to determine the relationship between the hypothesis and the conclusion of an if-then statement. Now, a conditional statement is composed of two parts. We have the hypothesis and the conclusion. Let us define first what is a conditional statement is. It is a logical type of statement that has two parts, a hypothesis and a conclusion. Conditional statement can be written in if-then form. This is the conditional statement format. If, hypothesis, then conclusion. Let us define also what is a hypothesis, a conclusion, and implication. A hypothesis, it states the given facts that are assumed to be true. Conclusion, what needs to be proven or established. Implication, this is the statement formed by the hypothesis and conclusion in the format of if P, then Q, or P implies Q. In the if hypothesis then conclusion format, the hypothesis, we denote this one as small letter p, and the conclusion, we denote this as small letter q. Let's try to have an example. If it is a quadrilateral, then it has four sides. Our hypothesis here, it is a quadrilateral, and our conclusion, it has four sides. Now, the statement above is called the implication. That is the statement being formed by the hypothesis and conclusion. Now, as we go along with our lesson today, I want you to observe the pattern or the clues on how to determine the hypothesis and the conclusion of a certain statement. Let's have another example. If today is Monday, then tomorrow is Tuesday. The hypothesis here is today is Monday, and our conclusion, tomorrow is Tuesday. Another example. If a number is even, then it has a factor. The hypothesis here is a number is even. Our conclusion, it has a factor. Now I want you to pause the video and think of a pattern or a clue as to how we determine the hypothesis and the conclusion of a certain if-then statement. Do you have it? So if you think that the clue would be the hypothesis, this is the statement wherein it starts with the F, and the conclusion, this is the statement wherein it starts with the then you are correct. Okay? The clue on how to determine the hypothesis of the conclusion and the conclusion is simply after the if word, that is our hypothesis. And after the then word, that will be our conclusion. So that's all for now. Thank you, and see you on my next online lesson.